To cook rice in pressure cooker, I am using half cup of raw rice. You can also use basmati rice instead of raw rice in this method. For half cup of raw rice, I am using 1 cup of water. The method I am showing today is double boiling method, and for that you need another pan or a katori or a small bowl which can be kept in the pressure cooker, which means the pressure cooker will not become dirty and you're cooking the rice in the katori or bowl. This way you can serve the cooked rice in the bowl or katori itself. I'm using a 4-liter pressure cooker. As you can see, the bowl I'm using can be easily fitted into the pressure cooker, and I'll also be covering it with the lid. So when you cook rice in this way, the plus point is that the cooker will not get dirty and you can serve the cooked rice in the bowl itself. With regard to cooking in pressure cooker, always make sure that you remove the gasket, rinse it thoroughly in water and then place the gasket back before cooking. Add the half cup of rice into the same bowl in which you're cooking the rice. I'm adding in some water and I'm rinsing the rice a couple of times or until the water runs clear. It's always ideal to soak the rice a little bit before cooking, especially for those who have noticed having digestive issues or bloating when consuming rice. Soaking anywhere between 5 to 15 minutes would be ideal. So now I'm going to rinse it under running water a couple of times or until the water runs clear. Okay, now the rice is rinsed and I have strained out the water. Into this I'm adding in 1 cup of water. I personally don't prefer to add salt when cooking rice. Adding salt is optional. Into the pressure cooker I'm adding in half cup of water. Place the bowl in the pressure cooker. Cover it with the lid. Like I mentioned before, you need to rinse the gasket before cooking. And once the gasket is rinsed, place it back onto the lid and cover it. Turn on the flame. Once steam starts to come through the hob, place the weight on the hob and pressure cook for 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, turn off the flame and allow the cooker to depressurize by itself. And once the cooker has cooled and depressurized by itself, I'm opening the lid. So before opening, first remove the weight from the hob. Open the lid. Remove the lid. And you can see the rice has perfectly cooked. See how perfectly the rice has cooked. It is non-sticky and perfectly cooked. And the best thing is that you can serve the rice in the bowl itself. So guys, do try this method and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more beginner friendly recipes. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.